Do you ever need to sort your data so you can find what you need? Well, don't. Filter it instead. Now, the most obvious way to sort your data would be to select the data that you want to look at, and once you've selected that data, coming up to the Data tab and choosing the Sort button. Now, when I click on the Sort button, it will ask me here whether I want to do that straight away. I'm just going to hang off for a second because I want you to have a look. Smelly Socks is 1, Vomit Lolly is 100. When I click Sort, if this is sorted properly, the whole row should sort with the item. So let's see what happens when we click Sort. It didn't. It just sorted this one column. So now our apple juice is 1. Now pickled eyes is 100, and that's not the way it should be. So we need to find a better way to do this. So let me just undo that to take it back to how it should be, and let's look at a much better way of sorting our data. We're going to highlight our headings, and in the Data tab we're going to not use Sort, we're going to actually use Filter. So we're going to click on Filter, and that's going to pop up for us some drop downs. And now to use the drop downs to sort my data, I can sort it alphabetically. So A to the top, Z to the bottom. But this time when it's sorted it has actually kept the whole row of data intact. Now I can choose to do it just by the cost. So I want to look at the most expensive first, so the largest to smallest, and it moves everything with me. So that's a very easy way that we can create a way of sorting. The beauty of doing it this way is your user doesn't need to come up to the Data tab and then find in the ribbon the correct items. They just simply stay on this sheet and use the drop downs that you've created for them. So that's the easiest way, and I would suggest that that's the way that you create your sorting of data. Alrighty, see you in the next video.